If you sleep at 8 p.m., then you are basically still a kid. At 9 p.m., you are super healthy and probably wake up feeling amazing. If you sleep at 10 p.m., then you are disciplined and have a solid routine. At 11 p.m., you are pretty normal, especially on school nights. If you sleep at 12 a.m., then you are already a night owl. If this is literally your sleep schedule, follow for part 2. At 1 a.m., you are always tired, no matter how much you sleep. If you sleep at 2 a.m., then you are living dangerously, especially before school. At 3 a.m., you are basically a vampire at this point. If you sleep at 4 a.m., then you are not surviving school the next day. And at 5 a.m., you are already completely cooked. So, be honest. What time did you sleep last night?